People of the world, welcome back. Another day, another vlog, exciting times ahead. This isn't actually our home. We are in the Lake District today. We are here with 4 Macaws. We got sweet Mikey over here. We got Mia over here. We got sweet Tommi in the background over there. And Shelby's somewhere out of frame. But we are all here today to celebrate Tommi's 3rd birthday.
Woo! I love it!
We're actually spending 4 days here in the lakes. Now we are actually on day 3 now, and we honestly couldn't have chosen a better place to stay. This place is insane. The gardens go for miles. The birds have actually been pretty good here as well. They've been very, very well behaved. Haven't you, Shelby? You good girl. We got a couple of travel cages set up in our room for them to have their nice night's sleep. And our day-to-day is basically doing touristy stuff and just hanging out outside, and they can literally fly freely. And that's the coolest thing about places like this. We don't have to really worry about them too much. They know where we are. They can just soar the skies, have a load of fun. This morning was pretty hectic, actually, making them breakfast. Tried to take down 4 bowls and 4 birds, and they do like to eat outside. So instead of wanting to sit down and eat their breakfast, they all took off. And honestly, that's kind of cool. Like, they have the freedom to just kind of do what they want. Now, a lot of you guys are probably asking the question, how are Mikey Mia without their nest? Now, honestly, after that last video we put up, they didn't really stop. They were chilling out, but they didn't. They got even more into it. They got even more protective of their nest and spent even more time there. So we did kind of feel bad taking them out, but the thing is, when they're out of the house, it's almost like they completely forget about the nest, which is weird. So we bought it here anyway. We actually bought it. We put it in our room and we showed them. We're like, hey guys, here's your nest, enjoy. And they didn't care for it at all. Maybe new environment, new place, back to kind of the old ways, who knows? But that was a really, really cool thing. So they've just been normal, chilled out birds. Today, we're actually meeting up with a couple of friends in a beautiful location, big lake, big field, letting all the birds fly. So you know what, we thought we'd show you at least 1 out of the 4 days. We would have filmed all 4, but it's also kind of nice for us to relax at the same time. So come along, enjoy the journey. This will be a fun one.
How do I feel? Let's do it again.
Can't wait to celebrate!
Can't wait! This is all exciting! Exciting! Exciting!
We are on our way to Tommi's Meet Day! Woo!
I'm looking very much forward to seeing my sweet Tommy's birthday. I'm very much forward.
Hey guys, we are in the Lake District, and what a beautiful, beautiful place it is. Lakes and fields and other things, and we have sweet Shelby here. Tommy's birthday so far has been a massive success.
Happy birthday to you. Awkward. Happy birthday to you.
That's enough.
It is raining and we have all hidden under a tree for shelter.
But it is a tree of love.
We're about an hour in. The day has just been amazing, apart from a little bit of rain, but we expected a bit of rain, and a little bit of rain never hurt anybody, and we got some beautiful trees here. Again, Mikey hasn't been... Where's Mikey? Mikey hasn't even explored the trees yet, which is the first time, honestly. He hasn't even been in one today. It's just been magical. It's extremely windy, it's getting a little bit chilly. It's definitely not the weather for a fly day, but we are all here for the love of birds, to watch them free. So I've been here 2 hours. It's raining a lot.
Today has been fabulous.
I feel very sad.
It's very cold.
Tommy has had fun.
I want to beat everyone up.
I want to go home.
It's still fun.
But it is still fun. So about 2.5 hours in, we got a couple of birds and trees. It's not ideal, but it does happen. So just waiting out for them to come down, and then maybe a pup, maybe?
Oh, God, yes.
God, yes.
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 We need a pup.
We need a pup. Well, it's not about making everyone else happy, it's about making me happy.
Oh,
You have to put me first sometimes.
Yes.
This is what you say to Carly.
Yes.
Put me first before the birds.
Yeah.
We're at the pub.
So we are in the pub. It's a lovely pub because they let the birds in. Mikey is restless as always, even though we've just been flying and he should be tired, but he's not. But so far, good day.
Home time, guys.
Need to clean all the poop. Yeah, we
Fun pub times over the last few hours. People are slowly leaving. Time to go home. We're going to get back to the ACOM and get these guys some dinner, and then just have some wind down, relaxing, maybe non-bird time, which is honestly amazing. More drinks. So we are back at the house. Shelby and Tommy are here being good birds, eating nicely. Mikey and Mia have gone somewhere. Sounds like they're around half a mile away. We don't really know. Only time will tell. So Mikey and Mia are back. They were just sitting on a roof. They're having dinner. We can go see them.
It's dinner time, Mia.
Wow.
Good girl, Mia.
Not plugging our stuff or anything, but you know, a whole bunch of freeze-dried fruit and vegetables, edible flowers, herbs, seeds, spices, all in a bag for you. MikeyMia.co.uk.
Guys, we're about to wrap up our amazing weekend. The sweet ones are on the door ready for bed, and we have had the most incredible time. Tommy's had the best birthday. Did you enjoy it, baby? Did you have a good time? Give me a kiss. Kiss. Good girl. So now we're going to put sweet ones to bed. We are going to have a few adult drinks, and then we shall sleep.
My penis is on your shoulder.
Good morning, world. It is 5 to 8 o'clock in the morning. We got breakfast ready. It's time to eat. They're eating inside today just because if we let them out and they decide to tree sit and we can't go home, that wouldn't be the best thing in the world. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end it here. It's been a lovely, lovely adventure over the last 4 days. We are on our way home at the moment. Just stopped off at a pub, had a beautiful feast. The birds were very good. Mikey had to be on a harness. We can't risk things like this. But all in all, a successful time. If you enjoyed the video, let us know. If you didn't, still let us know and we will do better next time. Goodbye. So just got back home, put them downstairs to eat their dinner, and they did not want to eat it there. They started screaming and then ran upstairs to their nest. So I guess they're not done. It's just crazy, like 4 days without it. Completely fine. Now we get home and they're straight back into it. Just absolutely so crazy to see. Anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.